Tayong pagpraktisan at kakantahin ngayon na kanta. Title ng kanta, ito ay OPM, Beautiful Girl. Yan. By Christian Bautista. Yan. Gamit tayo ng kapo sa 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. Maganda ang tunog at malapit-lapit sa katotohanan ang tunog. Yan, lagyan natin ng kapo. So, intro tapos verse. Ayan, hindi na natin patagalin. Yung strum ko pa rin, yung napaka-easy at madali siyang sundan, madaling gawin. Pitiks-pitiks lang yung strum natin. Yung naka-intro na. Tapos magbe-verse 1. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I know that I saw you. You had opened the door. I know that I love again after a long while. I love again. Tapos na natin yung verse 1. Verse 2 na naman. You said hello and I turned to go, but something in your eye left my heart beating so. I just knew that I love again after a long while. I love again. And then magko-chorus tayo. Chorus 1. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Chorus and then verse 3. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I love again after a long while. I love again. And then mag-repeat tayo sa chorus. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I was in line only to find that you were gone. And then magbe-bridge, tumaas yung kanyang tono. Overtune. Beautiful girl, I search on for you, till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You made me love again after a long while. I love again, and I'm glad that it's you. Oh, beautiful girl. Thank you for watching Let's Mix TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye.